Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have so far put out 3 videos doing cornstarch nail. This will be my 4th and last one. This is what they look like in my last video after I did an updated method, which is super long lasting and strong. And this is what they look like 2 weeks later. You can see that they are chipping in some places where the cornstarch was, but overall they held up pretty well for 2 weeks. And all I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you exactly how I remove my cornstarch and also how I remove the tips that I applied. So of course you're going to need nail polish remover and some type of cotton ball, cotton swab, or cotton pad to put the nail polish remover on and just remove the nail polish. As you're removing your nail polish, the cornstarch will come off too. It's super easy. You don't need to do anything special, fancy, or difficult to get rid of your cornstarch that you've put on your nails. Now in terms of the tips, you're going to want to just cut them off, cut off the excess, I should say, first. Like cut it, if you're trying to maintain your actual nail like I am, you're going to want to cut up until where your nail is. And then with the remaining tip, you want to take a tool. I'm just using this like cuticle tool. It's a metal one, to press down on my natural nail to create a space to kind of wedge it in between my natural nail and the tip, and then it will come right off. Now my nail beds are jacked up and it's not because of the cornstarch, but it's because I had on acrylic nails prior to doing this, and so they were already a hot mess. But listen, I'm just trying to keep my nail length right now and I don't really care, so I'm just going to keep it just like that. So after removing all of this stuff, I just filed down my nails. I forgot to film that, and I painted my nails, and that's it. As always, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one. Bye.